Hello friends, let's try to solve this problem. Here we have to convert this logarithmic expression to single logarithm. See, we already know n log x base a equal to log x power of n base a. So we can write like this: log 3 square plus log 5 cube minus log 2 power of 5. See here, actually base is 10. Log a plus log b equal to log ab. So we can write like this: log 3 square into 5 cube minus log 2 power of 5. We already know log a minus log b equal to log a by b. So log 3 square into 5 cube by 2 power of 5 equal to, this is the single log, so we can find these values. 3 square is 9 into 5 cube is 125 and 2 power 5 is 32. It is equal to log 1125 by 32. See, this is the answer. Here we converted this logarithmic expression to single log. Thank you.